Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I made new color changing clothes on Roblox. You can change the color of the clothes without needing to buy new ones. Here's how to do it. Go to groups and search up Not Amber Squad. Click on the group and go to store. Here's the color changing clothing. Now I'll show you how to change the colors. The clothes are transparent in some areas, so all you need to do is change your skin color. Go to advanced. Change the color of your torso and legs. They must be the same color. I'm doing purple. This is how it turned out. You can change the color whenever you want. That's all for this video. Like and subscribe if you like Roblox.